19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Wow. Holy. Wow.
Oh my gosh.
Look at this, guys.
Oh wow. Oh wow.
Look at you guys. My God.
MGM, Aria, Caesar's Palace, Resorts World.
Thank you, Joey.
The Strap. Woo!
Happy New Year! Let's go, Lions!
Dun, 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 dun.
Let's go, Lions! Oh shit.
Dun, 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 dun.
Let's go, Lions!
Champagne.
Happy New Year, guys.
Happy New Year!
Kiss your husband. Kiss your husband.
Oh!
Oh! What a great. They're gonna have a baby.
Whoa!
They're gonna have a baby.
Oh my gosh! This is such a great view. This
Says-
is insane.
It says you have the best view.
This
You.
is insane. Oh my gosh.
It's synchronized. Look how
coordinated.
synchronized it is.
They're literally exactly coordinated.
Yep.
How is that possible?
Mommy G, we love you.
We love you, Norman. I love you, Las Vegas. How
Wow.
do they synchronize it like that?
Welcome all 2,000 of you. Wow, shit.
Everybody hit the like. How in the world do they synchronize it like that? That is so legit.
You guys want me to zoom in?
From the Strat to MGM. That is so cool.
Dude, this is perfect. Look at that. Cheers, guys. Cheers.
Cheers, Jay. Cheers, Andrew. Andrew, cheers, Steve.
Wow. No, this is like the best fireworks show I've ever seen.
This is so legit that we're seeing this right here. Our
No one
fans are
does
probably
it
freaking out
like
about
effing Vegas. It's true.
Vegas. Listen to that. Listen to it. We made it.
Philip Cortez was gifted a membership. Thank you, Gene.
Heck yeah. The fireworks are still going. It's been 3 minutes.
And the Fountain Blue has not blown anything off.
Oh, how intriguing.
Oh no,
Yeah, that's
they
the
are.
resort.
Are they?
Are they, or is
Yeah,
that
look.
Resorts
No,
World?
that's behind Resorts.
That's behind Resorts World.
Oh, okay. Oh, oh, that's the plazas down there. Do you guys see the
Wow,
plazas?
Plazas is
Yeah.
nice.
Plaza down there. Plazas is the only one
Wow.
down
Plaza is the best.
there. I like the plaza. Shout out the plaza. They don't have a McDonald's anymore.
I know, that sucks, huh?
I mean, you can go to the T.
Look at this, guys. It's still going off.
Yeah, it's been almost 4 minutes now. Andrew, do not that glass of champagne. Okay.
Look at that, guys. This is Planet Hollywood right now.
You can hear people cheering all over the place too. Look at all the people down at the
And you know what? We're probably the only ones that have internet.
This is so legit.
America, America, God shed its grace on thee. Oh, look at right in front of us.
Yeah, what is that? Caesar's Palace right there, right?
Caesars and Flamingo.
I never realized that they coordinated all of them.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah, it's all the
every
same
single
thing.
hotel is setting off exactly the same fireworks at exactly the same time. That's wild.
Well, welcome all 2,032 of y'all. Thank you, Sai, for the $4.99 fill up.
Woo-hoo!
Happy New Year from the Yanagisawa Ohana.
Mandalay Bay is projecting 2024 on it.
Oh, it
Did you
is,
see
huh?
that?
Happy 2024. Wow.
Did you see that?
Yeah, I got a
Mandalay
video of
Bay?
It says Happy
Yeah, I got a
2024.
video of it.
What?
Wow.
I just noticed
Look at this, guys.
that. It's been over 5 minutes now.
We still have over 2,000 of y'all watching, so thank you.
Happy New Year, guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, and
Gene.
comment on Jaycation.
Gene, thanks for the $20 fill up. Jay, thanks again for a great New Year's live stream. I love that this celebration is happening. It's his birthday. It's Gene's birthday.
Happy birthday from Applebee's to you. We wish it was our birthday so we can party too. Hey.
Gene, happy birthday, dude. I freaking love you, bro. You are the man. They said, okay, Lydia.
Oh, I'm lit to ya right now.
This isn't it, guys? Look at that. Sis, you're killing it, dude.
I'm getting all the content.
Wow, look at that. It's all red right now.
I know. It's smoky out here. Look at the Strat. Look at the ones from the Strat. The Strat is doing different ones than everybody else. The Strat is shooting them right off the top.
Thank you, Miss Saley.
Oh, this is the finale.
Yeah, this is the finale.
Ooh.
Wow. This is better than the ball drop in NYC. Thank you, Kevin. Wow. Yay! America!
2024. 21.
Can you do something for me? Can you get a little rich flex for me? 21. This
I
is the
love
perfect
when we're
view.
projecting 2024 on Mandalay Bay. I think that's so cool.
If you guys want to stay here, hit up my boy, DJ Mark Cena. This is his place.
Is that John Cena's brother?
Yeah,
Nice.
the brown version.
Nice.
Look at this, guys. Oh my
Shout out
goodness.
John Cena. I
Wow.
thought that was the finale. It's still going.
Still going.
Oh, this is the finale. It's been over 7 minutes. I've been recording for 7.5 minutes.
Hey, Gene, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Gene. Happy birthday.